What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to do the final review of the Ticonic 1. Freaking love this knife. I kind of gushed all over it when it first came out, or when I did my first impressions and everything like that, just because of how phenomenal it is. And it's got a lot to back that up, I promise. But let's get into it. First thing I really freaking love on this thing is the finger choil and the little grooves right here. Now, I kind of started liking a more neutral feel on knives because I don't know, I feel like overall it feels ergonomically better for me and just better grip, I feel like. This thing is obviously not, neutral, but freaking phenomenal because my fingers fit right in there. If I want to just get on the hand, put my hands on the handle, fingers on the handle, it's perfect for that too, right there. Bam, boom, bam, boom. And I have a medium to average size hands, like maybe it's a little smaller, and I fit perfect on there. But if you have a bigger hand, you just choke up a little bit. Come on now, look at that. Then you have plenty of real estate for everything else. So I just think it's a phenomenal knife just because of that right there. A lot of great materials on it. You have titanium. You have an M390 drop point blade style right there with the compound grind, as you can kind of see, stone washed obviously. Great finger hole right there for flicking every day, all day, every day. It flicks open. One thing I did notice that kind of, I don't know, just it doesn't bug me. It's me being who I am, my thumb. When I go to get the compression lock, I want to accidentally like hit this right here, this part of the handle. Instead of actually going right there for it, I kind of go right here, and I obviously kind of have to roll my thumb a little bit, and it's a big pain in the butt. I don't know why, but once I do it right, it closes every time. So it's just I'm naturally just a goofy guy, I guess, like that. I want to do this and just roll it over. I don't know. It doesn't work. It's a big pain in the butt. But once you really kind of get your thumb right there, it's all day, every day. Flex open, great, good, solid lockup, feel up, down, side to side. Lockup is perfect. Very smooth opening and closing. Great. This is like a fidget monster. It really is. It is a freaking fidget monster. What I really loved also is the orbital pattern on the milling, with the milling on the handle. It just looks so cool to me. I really like it. Um, just phenomenal. You have a nice blue backspacer right there, along with the pivots, pivot collars. So obviously, it's kind of offset, I guess, the color wise, add a little bit of flavor to it. Just a nice accent to it, I guess. Compression locks are becoming a pretty decently big thing right now. I think it's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. Um, I see more and more companies talking about it. I've talked to some people who design knives, and that's what they're wanting to do, like go to also. So I just think it's going to be a bigger thing coming sooner and sooner. Um, I love the pocket clip too. I just like the way it looked. Very, obviously kind of skeletonized or milled out or whatever. I thought it was cool looking. I really liked it. Nice big gap right here for your jeans to get your pocket down in there. Titanium also obviously not reversible. Stinks, but I'll live. Not quite deep carry either. So there's a couple things, but it's all right. When you have titanium pocket clips, I don't even really. If I hear titanium pocket clip, I automatically think, okay, so it's going to be a deep carry, but not deep carry. You know what I mean? So it's going to be close to it, but well, honestly, I'm not even going to say close. Some knives they say deep carry, and it's like an inch freaking away, something stupid like that. Well, this is really close, so it's not bad. Centering is pretty spot on for the blade, so not bad there. Um, just an overall freaking solid knife, man. I'm telling you, great lockup, great freaking lockup. Let's get a weight real quick for you. It's just so freaking smooth with them cage ceramic ball bearings on the inside of it too. I don't know if this one would had. If I don't know if they put skiffs in this one though. Some of the knives I get, people put skiffs in, which obviously makes it 10 times better. Apparently, I've never put skiffs in one of my knives. I just don't always have the extra money, even though I don't think they cost a lot, so it's not really a big deal. Usually, I'm not too picky on it. Usually, it opens pretty well anyway. Not all knives, but most knives. This one is 3.6 for the weight. Let's check one more time. There you go, 3.6. Let's get a measurement real quick for you too. was really bummed out. I really want to check out that black version. Hopefully I'll be able to get my hands on one. They all look good, all the color schemes. Like they have this one. I think they have one without the orbital pattern, like for the stonewash, and then they also have like a black version of it, and with the orbital and with the without the orbital. I believe, if I remember correct. Hopefully they come out with some other knives too. It's gonna be great. Cutting edge is about 2.5. Overall, you're looking at 6.75. And also, you may know these obviously designers. It's the OEM is Boss Steed, which is why it kind of looks kind of familiar, right? But it's Jeff. Crap, I cannot remember their names. Jeff something, and then you have Rob. But it's Rob RS Chaos, RS Works, Knife Works, RS Knife Works. He designed the RS Chaos, stuff like that, which is obviously a phenomenal knife as well. Um, Check these screws out. Looking like some T8s. Pocket clip is T8. What up, yo? Alright. And everything is T8. So cool. Nice. Dig it. But overall, man, this is a solid knife. Like, it's great in hand. You're going to love it if you get one. Got a little bit of texturing right there, a little jimping right there, just for extra grip. I do really think that this could be better. It's really not bad, that jimping. It's really not overall, but when I really kind of think about it, I would prefer a little bit more aggressive jimping. It's just so smooth looking. But it doesn't bother me, I think, because I have such great lockup with this finger troll bean right here. Like, I feel like I have such a solid pinch between my index finger and my thumb that the jimping isn't necessarily a make or break type of thing for the knife. Like, it's just solid. I don't know. Call me crazy. I just like it. It's a great knife. Got a Vosteed Datsun. See, wow, I'm gonna have to. I thought this knife was gonna be bigger when I opened up the package. Man, so all right, there's the size comparison, but it looked bigger when everybody else was handling it. When I saw the videos and everything like that, I'm like, that's gonna be a pretty good size knife. Because plus the RS Chaos and everything like that, I was like, okay, RS Chaos is kind of bigger, should be pretty good. But and that's not bad. That's not bad for the size either. I was shocked, is what I am. I'm shell shocked. Because even this, like, I just now compared these two, and I thought, man, this knife's. I thought they'd be close to the same in size, but they are not. Nope. But that's all right though. Love this thing too. Um, yeah. So this is going to be coming in at 250. A little expensive, but not too bad. I'm sure you spent more money on less stuff before, like material wise, stuff like that. This you're paying, all your money's going like this. Oh, it's phenomenal. It's going straight to the knife. Big bang for your buck. Not the big bang, but big bang for your buck. You're gonna love it. I'm telling you. I wish I had. I want one. I want one. That's all right though. I'm gonna stop telling you guys how much I want one. I'm gonna let you guys go. But if you have any questions or comments, just let me know in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.